In this video, I'm going to share with you what affiliate marketing is and how it works. If you are a complete beginner, I understand I was a complete beginner too, and I get asked all the time, what is affiliate marketing? So I'm going to explain it in this video. My name is Rachel S. Lee, and this channel is all about affiliate marketing, passive income, making money online. So if you're into that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So basically, affiliate marketing is someone buys something with your affiliate link and you make a commission. The way the world makes money is through selling. So yes, we need to sell something. The cool thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to be that salesy. You could just focus on traffic and let the funnel or the sales page or whatever, the website that you're promoting, do the selling for you. That's actually some of my favorite ways to make affiliate marketing, is just promoting free offers. But since it's still my affiliate link, which is a tracking link, I'll get credit for sales that are made later. The key to affiliate marketing is getting traffic to your link, getting people to click on your link. Then typically they'll get cookied. That means the system knows that you sent the traffic. So even if they buy later through email follow-up, or if the company's sending paid advertising, as long as they clicked your link last, you will get credit for that. Affiliate marketing is great if you don't want to create your own product, your own training, your own software. Maybe you already use some softwares. This is like for online marketing industry. Or maybe you already use some certain products that you buy on Amazon or that you really love. Some makeup company or some clothing company or some kitchen supply company, some food delivery company. You can get affiliate links for it. There is a difference between an affiliate program and a referral program. Oftentimes, certain apps will have a referral program, but you can also look to make sure that they have an affiliate program. So instead of get a month free by promoting our app, you could actually get cash, well, not cash, but PayPal deposits for promoting it. So the main thing is traffic, which I'm going to dive deeper in this video. But you could also do some other things to get more commissions, such as growing a following, growing subscribers on social media, subscribers on an email list, and then sending out your own emails, your own automations. You can build your own funnels. You can have your own brand. That's what I do. That's how I increase my affiliate commissions. But when it comes down to it, the most important thing is traffic. You don't have to build a brand. You can just straight up send traffic to your affiliate link. Like, some people would be like, oh, don't ever do that. They're probably not watching this video though. You can send traffic to a raw affiliate link. There's better ways to mask your link, to track it, to make sure that you're tracking where the traffic came from. Because let's say you have an affiliate link to, let's say, a software. Like, I promote Clickfunnels. I won their dream car award because I got so many affiliates, they paid for my car and gave me a trophy. It's kind of cool. And I send traffic so many different ways. So of course I track where that traffic comes from. So here's the different kinds of traffic. And we're going to talk about online traffic, not wrapping your car with one of those car wraps or getting a billboard and saying, go to my website. This is online traffic. So there is inbound and outbound. Inbound means they were looking for you. Outbound means you were looking for them and they were minding their own business. There's also search traffic and social traffic. Search traffic would be inbound, people searching. They could be searching on Google or on YouTube or on Bing, and they're looking for something, and you could show up organically with organic methods such as SEO, search engine optimization, or paid methods by running ads. And then there's also social traffic, people on social media, which is like everybody, or even people on apps. I think apps are also somewhat of a social media. There's different levels of traffic. You can have cold traffic. People, they don't really know who you are or what the product is, or you can have warm traffic or hot traffic, retargeting people who have already hit your site. So this is some more advanced stuff. Most people I notice that want to start with affiliate marketing and making money online, they want to start with the organic methods, because organic methods are free methods. I say free because they still cost your time, and you're going to get to a point as you get better and better that your time is worth more and more money, so it actually makes more sense to work on paid methods or pay someone else to do these organic methods. But I encourage most people to start with organic methods such as organic social media, being active in Facebook groups, or, well, my favorite one is YouTube, ranking videos on YouTube organically with titles and descriptions and tags and keywords. And then if you're ready for paid traffic, you don't only need money to invest in the paid traffic, you still need to learn. It's still going to take time to learn. It's still going to take money to learn how to do these things too, and buy trainings. Something that I like to do is first try to get organic traffic. If my video can rank organically, maybe then I'll turn it into a paid ad. If my Facebook post got a lot of organic engagement, then maybe I'll use something similar and make that into a paid ad. A lot of people don't know where to get started with affiliate marketing. They're like, what niche should I get into? Or what offers should I promote? Do whatever you like, but I suggest online marketing. I like online marketing. I have to use all these tools anyways for my online business, so I might as well promote them and teach about them. Different softwares, different trainings, things about funnels, link tracking, email automation. I actually have a free training in the description below. It is a duplicatable system. It's called Affiliate Business in a Box, and it teaches you how to start your affiliate marketing business from scratch. It gives you the funnel, it gives you the emails, it gives you different affiliate offers to promote, and it's a duplicatable system. You watch the videos, you implement, and then it's set up so someone else can do it too, and you make commissions from them signing up for the softwares that I recommend. And a lot of people start this affiliate business in a box and they think this is going to be their new life, and I tell them this is not your new life. Like, this one funnel and this one campaign is not your new career. It's a starting point. It's a great way to start growing an audience, growing an email list, establishing yourself online, getting funnels online, getting a domain, getting a professional email address set up, getting link tracking set up, and getting started. A lot of people want to skip this step when they become students of mine and join my program Daily Commissions Club, which has even more trainings and resources. I still say, hey, go do the free training first. So I want to suggest to you guys, recommend to you, try out this free training. Even if you don't end up sending a ton of paid traffic or organic traffic to it, you'll still have so many assets set up that you will want to have for your affiliate marketing business. So you can find that link at Affiliate Business in a Box or in the description below. I'll also have the link for my paid program. It has all my trainings, all my funnels, all the offers I promote, all the emails, just everything. We have coaching calls in the group, so it's not just a course, it's a course with coaching. The people that do make money with the program are the ones that don't quit. The ones that quit don't make any money. And that's just the truth about affiliate marketing. Some people say like, oh, affiliate marketing's dead. It is not dead. You could make unlimited money with it. You can just keep on growing your passive income. Mine just keeps growing and my audience keeps growing, and the more affiliate marketing results that I get, the more digital trainings that I can create, and then that scales, and then every time you learn something, you can reteach it and make more commissions that way. If you want to learn more about this, be sure to subscribe to my channel, check out my videos, check out the resources below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.